I'm back, and I will be continuing with my fall decor ideas. Today I'm going to be showing you the Scarecrow Wreath that I spoke about a couple of videos ago, I believe, or my last video, not sure. I was going to do a front porch kind of decorate with me, but I did not do it because as some of you know or might not know, I do live in a brand new community that just was built last year, and they are working on our driveway aprons and our roads that have been kind of tattered due to construction trucks going back and forth. And trust me, the noise outside is ridiculous. I mean, they start at 7 a.m. and it's going from there. So I'm hoping next week, they said about middle of next week, they should end everything. Hopefully, if it's done, I will definitely come on here and show you guys my front porch because it looks cute, or at least I think so. It is kind of a scarecrow theme. That's how this has been inspired, is because it's a scarecrow, kind of. This is not an original idea. I do not take credit for it. It is not my idea. I was on YouTube, and I think her channel is The Southern Girl Can. Either The Southern Girl Can or The Southern Girl Can Do It. Either one. I will link the video in the description bar or the info on the top for you guys to click and go check out her channel. She is amazing with wreaths. I love her channel. So I will definitely link the video for you guys to go look at it. So this is definitely not my idea, so I'm not going to even try to take credit for it. I had only 18-inch wreath in my stash, so that's all I used was the 18-inch. She, I believe, had a 14-inch, I want to say. And I was actually rummaging through my kids' clothes, and believe it or not, I did not have any jeans that did not have the buttons. And all you mommy friends out there know exactly what I'm talking about, the ones that button up down here in this area to change diapers. And all of mine are like that, so I didn't want to put that on. So I went to the thrift store, and I bought this for $1.50, I believe it was. So the pants are $1.50. The hat is actually from Michael's. I was unable to find one at the thrift store that I liked, so this one was under $2. The wreath form I already had, and it's the green one. Just the standard wreath form. It's not the working wreath. And the tulle, flowers, ribbon is from, no, not the flowers, sorry, the ribbon and the tulle, or deco mesh I should say, is from Dollar Tree. The flowers are for $1, but they're from Michael's. On the hat, I'm going to go closer. I have a little pick, and this pick is actually from Hobby Lobby that I purchased last year when they were completely clearanced out for like cents, and that's how much I paid for them. I did mine a little bit different than what she did. The concept is the same, so she has a tutorial on her video. I will link it for you guys to look at. So I'm not going to do the tutorial, but I did the stretch where you take the deco mesh and you stretch the two ends and it kind of curls. That's the technique I did because I wanted some to kind of stick out, and then I did some of the rolled ones. So the orange ones are the pull, these ones, the striped ones. The striped orange are pull, and the regular orange is just rolled. So I did that, and I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bunches. And I alternated the flowers, so I have an orange flower here, I have a yellow one, then orange, yellow, because I wanted to keep that theme consistent. That's the theme I have in my whole house, is orange and yellows. And a little bit of reds here and there. And this is the full hat and the body of it. I did add, she did not add this, but obviously I have to add my touch to everything. And when I think of Scarecrow, I think of roughed up burlap on them. So I added some, oh, not that, some burlap fabric that I had. I just cut it up, pulled the strings, kind of really roughed it up. I'm not sure. Yeah, right there. Do you see that? Right here? That's what I did. And I just kind of randomly placed everything. So burlap is placed randomly around, just kind of as a filler. This ribbon, the orange, it's like a burnt orange, is from my stash. This is from Dollar Tree. You guys recognize these are from Dollar Tree from this year. And the pants, I think, turned out the cutest out of everything. I did have some stuffing in here. So there's some stuffing. And that's the top of the belt, or the band of it. I added some patch. I did burlap and then some of the ribbon. I just cut out the pumpkins and I put them there and here. And then I stuck some burlap in between with this raffia. I didn't have anything else but raffia, so that's exactly what I used. And I just kind of stuffed raffia underneath his feet. Or her, actually, because I have a girl. I don't have a boy. Mine's a girl. And then she used ribbon. I used, like I said, burlap because I just feel like burlap is very Scarecrow for me. And that's what I did with the pants. I cut the jeans and roughed up the edges of the jeans, which I think just adds to the touch. It's just super cute. You guys can see that. It's adorable. And then I added some green burlap. This has been in my stash for, guys, oh my gosh, ages. And I'm trying to use it up, and I can never finish. It's like a never-ending roll of burlap. This green, it's kind of like a raffia burlap. It's not really the fabric kind. And it came in $2, and even Michael's was having the $2 bins or grab bags. That's how long ago it was, because now they have the $4 ones. And it came in a $2 grab bag, and I just can't seem to finish it. And I'm trying really hard, guys. Seriously, I use it in cards. I use it in everything. So, anyways, that's my little green burlap rant. And that's basically what I've done to it. I think it turned out really, really cute. I will leave a link to her channel because I'm not going to be doing a tutorial. And if you guys want to recreate this, she explains how to do it, so you can follow her stuff. And I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm hoping to be able to do the front porch decorate with me video, because this hanging on my door is adorable. I wish I had a 14-inch though, because the 18 is a little bit larger. So I might for next year go back and do the 14-inch, because the hat is actually not glued. The pants are not glued. They're all with zip ties and pipe cleaners and stuff. So I can always cut that apart and redo it. But for this year, it's going to stay that way. And I absolutely, absolutely love it. It looks so cute. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have feel inspired to do this for your fall decorations. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. I'm going to be coming up here with more fall decoration ideas. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave comments. And see you in my next. Talk to you later. Bye.